Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you guys how to change your timeline resolution quickly in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so you'll have a project open and you're like, oh, I want it to be 4K, or oh, I want it to be something different than it is. I want it to be a vertical video. Well, you can do that very easily. No, you don't have to create a whole new project. Just go to the timeline that you want to change in DaVinci Resolve and then go down here to this gear icon. Click on it, and then what you want to do is change the timeline resolution to whatever you want it to be, honestly. So we want to change it to, for example, let's say we want to change it to 4K. Since the free version goes up to 4K, if you want 8K, I believe that's the studio version. And then let's say we want vertical resolution, which is an option now in the new update, 18.1. Feel free to update if you wish. And then let's say we got that how we want to. We hit save, and then it changes our resolution. Now it only changes the resolution for vertical, so what we would have to do is change stuff ourselves, so we can just fill that ourselves, no problem. And yeah, hopefully that has helped you change your timeline resolution in DaVinci Resolve. I do want you guys to keep in mind that when you're exporting, most of the time it will actually detect it itself, but if for some reason it doesn't, make sure you're aware of those changes. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.